Obora na aka idi ni fele me ani Igbo a mere ani Igbo ada agazi aga onu ncha ka mpụtalụ.
Please, my fellow Biafrans, please help me and share this particular video. I need your help for you to share this particular video. That is the help that I need from you. I hope that you people know this man that always support Biafra and also support our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But the main reason why I bring this particular video here is because you get one thing where we say this man talk in this particular video that I don't want any of us to miss it. So as a Biafran supporters, and we like to support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we like to support Biafrans, we like to support me, just take 1 minute of your time and listen to him because he have something to tell us. So as you watch this video, don't forget to drop your thoughts under the comment section. What do you think about what he's saying? Is it making sense or not? Drop it under the comment section. One love.
Obora na aka idi ni fele me ani Igbo a mere ani Igbo ada agazi aga onu ncha ka mpụtalụ. Unu emega ani Igbo apart from serving medicine, ekwa wheelbarrow, ịma conductor, onwezi ọlụ ọzọ YouTube garu, investors agbatigo ọsọ na ani Igbo. Nunu na azọ Biafra. Unu we Biafra na-eme business, donation. Meanwhile nothing is working. If I could make that atọ Nnamdi Kanu nga, that madness I can agakwa on. We go 247 unu si na nju na-eme content, na nji ga-achọ view. N'ikpeazụ aka anyị ga-ama unu si na ma join gị ijele ebe ọbụla m furu ijele mụ na ijele nwegodi personal fight onye egbu ibi ọnaba ọ dịgo assign gị ya suo ya stamp me and you ndị ichie ndị mbụ na ndị egede na unu ka nnọ ma Ngozi ọra bụ eze ma Ogechukwu nkere ma Ada dị ọra mma ma Ugo 247 si na nji achọ content ma Chike dozie ha Chike dozie m ma kere afafa ka afafa lutebere m afafa ma Ikenga uru agụ ha ọ bụrụ na aka unu dị n'ifele ma na Igbo ada aga unu ga-atarịra mmara pụrụ unu ọkwa unu Nigeria gọọmenti edipọt ruru na ebe unu ata afụ a ga-eji elu unu release Nnamdi Kanu onwere ife ekpetenya a ga-eji elu riri unu release Nnamdi Kanu ọnụ a bụ da terrorist unu a kịta ka anyị ga-ama ndị bụ ndị eziokwu manụ ndị bụ ndị asị unu aka nga na-aga na-arụsi niile na-akpa afọ unu ama-ezunata ike ọkwa unu ncha ana Igbo ama ndị nata mma maka unu a ndị ichie ndị mbụ na ndị egede ọ maka ndị na-emebi ana Igbo si na afa na-azọ nwere onwe mgbe ọbụla donation ọ ife ga na-anụ every Saturday you are using the donation of the innocent Igbo people to enrich yourself. You think you are wise in a civilized country. Werezi anyị wa na-ata afụ wee na-eme business ọma ndị natanụ na ma aja ana Igbo ga na-achụ unu enu na anyanwụ na agbara ga na-achụ unu ebere adịrị ya and mara pụnatara unu nọ na comment section kọwa m ọnụ maka unu amara ife anyị na-agabiga na ana Igbo a most of you na-akọhọ onye ọbụla nọ na ana Igbo aka na support ndị a onye a bụ onye ori. These people abụrụ ndị eziokwu ọ bụ na ndị a dị 12 ndị ezigbo ya n'ebe a karịrị ịtọ fakarịghị ịtọ unu aka nga na-atụ unu na-alụsị one after the other till deport unu abịa ata afụfụ dịrị unu so unu ṅụrụ iyi na ana Igbo na-enya ọ bụrụkwa obere ebe ka nnọ anọkwa m obere ebe afụfụ dịrị unu ncha aka m na-abịa nke a ka bụ obere ya.
Nnamdi Kanu case is going to bring what's called this one called purge, and this one called expository, and this one called secret open, and this one called issues that can bring what's called everywhere earthquake here and there. May the Lord have mercy. May the Lord have mercy. Let the mercy of God reign. And I want to use this medium to say to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he should not think that this issue he is fighting it on his own. The spirit of all the Nigerians are behind him. The spirit of all the Nigerians are behind him.
Alright, so guys, a quick one. That's about the 24th day of March 2026, and we have a new video from Major Prophet David King Leo, the same man of God woman, and with a video here countless times. He's here again with a new message on Ascend Onion to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ahead of the forthcoming appeal. This message I brought also for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for Biafrans from the Igbo. So you need to settle down, listen to the video, listen to what he said in this video, what he's actually trying to say. I don't want to say much. I'll leave you guys to watch the video. But before we jump into the video, like I used to say, I need a funding where a business advert or you want to promote your career. All you need to do is send us a WhatsApp DM on each make content in our funding email on our masagi, but you don't know how to start. We give room for coaching, mentorship, and training of those who are interested in it, but we charge a fee for it. And then all you need a foreign TikTok account where your videos can be generating money for you. All you need to be doing is posting your videos back to back. Even in India, send us a WhatsApp DM, we'll pick it up from there. Now let's jump into the video. Major prophet about Ezenanwata Kano. He gave this prophecy yesterday. Share the video and share your opinions on the comment section.
And what are the Nigerian spirit behind him for? We want what's called the equal right and justice for everybody. We want a better country where we all can be happy and proud of. We want a country where our children will not be marginalized. We want a country that is safe for everybody, for the great and the small, and also for the top class, the middle class, and the low class. We want a country where everybody can fit in and be proud of. We don't want a country where children will be malnutrited. We don't want a country where children will be out of school. We don't want a country where what's called the future of our children are not guaranteed. We don't want a country where people will be running a taskata. We don't want a country where people will be running outside the country and using leg to trek from Lagos State. They want to trek from Lagos State to what's called this was called going to Libya by leg, and getting to Libya by leg, trekking to Libya and getting there. Many of our youth are spied right there in Libya. Don't forget that when major prophet comes here, I come here with all of the blessings. I come here with all of the miracles. I come here with all of the manifestations. I come here with everything that is needed to restore and to grant all of your desire. Because everything that is playing out today, God has been fair to humanity, especially to the people of Nigeria and the people who are always online with the major prophet. Whatever is playing out in Nigeria or playing out in Europe or playing out in London and anywhere in the world, the Lord has already revealed them to the major prophet, and you can enter into what's called the book of prophecy in our channel. You can go through the channel, have your time, get your opportunity to go through the wall, Possibility TV, go and search from beginning to the end. There is nothing happening anywhere that the Lord has not told us. Even the one the Lord told us in parables, the one the Lord have given to us like signs, all of them has already come to pass. And the one we are right away is the one of Nigeria, because the issue of Ezenanwata Kano is not an issue that we should just sweep under the carpet. It's not an issue that will be happening live. A major prophet will keep quiet, irrespective of every restriction. Major prophet cannot be restricted, because major prophet, and coming from the spiritual angle, you cannot restrict the spirit. The spirit is beyond the human control. That no human being, no man born of a woman has what it takes to stop the spirit from speaking, or the spirit from giving message, or the spirit from what's called operations. You cannot stop it. Even if you use the highest spiritual means on planet Earth, you cannot stop the spiritual means of operations. Spiritual will always be spiritual, and physical will be physical. So major prophet, by the grace of God, I understand what's called the hand of the clock. Because when the hand of the clock is clocking tinkle, major prophet will use what's called a prophetic microscopic view to look at what's called the handwriting on the wall. And the major prophet has seen it all and what is about to happen there. Because so the case of Ezenanwata Kano is going to cost Nigeria a big problem. Don't forget that major prophet have given the prophecy before now. And when I begin to give prophecy, I begin to make them follow them bit by bit as they are coming and they are unfolding. Because what I'm seeing that is going to play out sooner is going to be what's called a chaos. And this chaos is going to cause what's called anarchy. And this anarchy is what's going to cause what's called people who are in the position to jitter. And if care is not taken, I'm seeing them fleeing away. Because Nigeria as a people have been waiting for a day. I told you, when people are pushed to the wall, people will have no choice but to react, because there's nobody you can push to the wall. Even the weakest person, when it's pushed to the wall, it will shout the highest shout at the wall side. And when the person is shouting at the wall side, you will know that this person has been pushed to the wall. So, major prophet, I'm using what's called a spiritual microscopic view to look at what's called the state of the matter right away, because what I am seeing that's going to happen right there with the case of Master Nnamdi Kanu is going to what's called it's going to create what's called chaos, and this chaos will lead to what's called anarchy. This anarchy will lead to what's called people will jitter, and people will even flee away. When a prophet is speaking, the purpose of a prophet to prophesy is to the people who do not oppose themselves, or people who want to do the right thing. They start adjusting things and do the right thing for everywhere, for peace to reign, because the peace of the nation is our own peace. When the nation is in helter-skelter, or nation is in chaos, or nation is running here and there, or in anarchy, it does not give anybody relaxation. Everybody is troubled, because the issue of what's called Nnamdi Kanu, things are proceeding, and also in the physical realm, things are happening in the physical. We are also being very, very much around to look at the spiritual angle to see all of the things that is going to unfold, because I'm seeing what's called delegates that's going to come from all over the world, United Nations, America, EU, and other countries of the world, and these delegates are coming specifically to be sure of what they are hearing. So this will not be an issue of news. They want to observe, and they want to see things by themselves. And this is what is going to bring what's called Master Nnamdi Kanu to now come to a point that all of the things that I have said, all of them come to pass one by one. Save major prophet the shame, save the people of the country the shame, and resolve matter, which was called resolve matter with what's called diplomacy. Resolve matter what's called ideas. Resolve matter. If you lack the idea, the Bible says, if anybody lack wisdom, let him ask for wisdom. If anybody lacks understanding, let him ask for understanding. If anybody lacks what's called a clue, let the person ask for clue. What shall be done? And people that are called people of understanding, that have what's called spiritual understanding and also physical understanding, can be able to analyze and put on the table what's called the diplomatic and the solution to issues, because the issue of what's called the people of Biafra and the people of Nigeria is beyond what's called a diplomatic resolve. So if there's a matter that needs to be resolved right now, there's what called higher wisdom and higher understanding, and people who are broadened in their mind to now begin to now look into matters and settle things the way they ought to settle. Because this matter has come to that point, I said that this case is going to bring shame, and the shame is already set to happen, because secrets are going to open and the people will be on the run, and the many things are going to happen. Because major prophet, when I give you prophecy, I give you years before they begin to happen. I give you prophecies months before they begin to happen. I give you prophecies weeks before they begin to happen. I give you prophecies days before they begin to happen. As the Lord has opened the eyes of the major prophet, which is the eyes of the Lord, because the eye of the prophet is the eyes of the Lord. I'm not talking about bracadabra. I'm not talking about people who try to now say what they are not. I'm not talking about people who claim what they are not. I'm talking about preciseness. I'm talking about accuracy. I'm talking about the Spirit of the living God. I'm talking about the manifestation of the Holy Spirit of God in the life of his servant, the major prophet of God. I am not a prophet of sidedness or a prophet of what's called, you say this prophet is after only this people or after that people. I am very much neutral to be able to stand in the gap of prophecy to release things the way they are in the realms of the spirit, that the world may know that we are talking about what's called spiritual matters, because spiritual matter is very important and is beyond human comprehension. There's a level human understanding can go, and there's a level the spirit itself will be the one to play out the role, because we are talking about spiritual roles. And when we come to spiritual role, God has given major prophet of God the grace to now begin to now prophesy things the way they are. Whether we like it or not, things are going to unfold the way that will surprise everybody. things will unfold, and people will ask you questions. What is happening? What is the reason of this? And the care is not taken. I am seeing people fleeing away. Many politicians are going to be indicted. Many high-profile individuals are going to be exposed. Many secrets are going to open. Things that you never heard about this country are going to be exposed. Because a major prophet has seen it years, and I've given the prophecy, and it's now in our korokoro eye. Things are going to get out of hand. When I gave prophecy in the year 2019, and I gave prophecy, I said they should pray. In the crossover of 2020, I gave prophecy they should pray. Nigeria should pray because of what's called a protest that will hit Nigeria and hit all the geopolitical zone. I gave the prophecy right on this very altar, and I told you that that prophecy is going to be happening in different states, that the protest is going to be happening in different states, and it is going to happen towards the month of October and November. I gave you about NSAS protest. Many of you took it for granted. When it happened, the people were shouting everywhere. Major prophet, what you say is happening. So major prophet is bringing the news. This news is called the spiritual news, bringing what's called the prophecy from the spiritual world, that people who need to listen to what the spirit is saying should please pay attention. The Bible says, pay attention, he that has ear. The book of Revelation chapter 6.